In this video, I'm going to show you how to register Samsung product for warranty. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website and click on support up top right, and then here you want to click on register a product. Now when you do this, it's going to take you to the registration page here, and the first thing you're going to have to do is basically sign in to your Samsung account. So if you don't have one yet, just click on the top right. You can create your account or just log in. It's a very easy process. And then when you do that, click on start registration over here. This is going to take you to a second page where you can basically go ahead and select your product. So it's going to ask you which product you have. For example, let's say we have a watch over here, and then it's going to take you what's your carrier type, and you can basically just type it in. I'm going to click on Wi-Fi over here, and then it's going to ask you for your serial number. Now, of course, depending on which product you selected, it may be a bit different. So if I go back over here, if I select phone, yeah, there we go. It automatically asked me to put in my IMEI number. So of course, whichever product you select, just follow these different steps over here. And when you do that, make sure you do note that it's going to require a serial number. And if you don't know how to get it, click on find your serial number, and it's going to basically help you out. It's going to allow you to select the category and select the type, and it's going to basically show you how you can find your serial number and where it's usually located. Okay, if it still doesn't help you, you can just Google it and you're going to be able to see how to find your serial number. And when you do that, just click on continue, and then your registration is basically going to be complete after confirmation. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.